I just shoot like interesting people I see on the street with good fashion and everything, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright man, hold on.
Where you taking my photo?
I take the whole scene. Okay, okay. So what's up everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. Happy holidays. It's actually Christmas time here in Toronto, late December 2021. So I hope wherever you are in the world that you are spending this time with your loved ones and the people closest to you in your lives. And I hope that you're partaking in the intake of great alcoholic beverages and having a great time. And so a couple of weeks ago, I actually went out for a photo walk during a snowstorm here in Toronto. And the entire walk was pretty much along Dundas Street here in downtown. I went past Yonge and Dundas Square, which is kind of our version of Times Square here in Toronto. And I went through an area that we call Little Tokyo, and we call it that because the streets are kind of lined with a bunch of different Japanese restaurants and Asian restaurants as well. And then I proceeded past that into Chinatown on Spadina. Yes, my favorite neighborhood for shooting street in the city. I'm always in Chinatown. You know, I don't really care. Come at me. You know, it's fine. I love that place. You know, you'll never tear me away from Chinatown. You know, so again, I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe and everything this holiday season, and I wish you guys all the best going into 2022. And you know, I'm positive and very confident that, you know, the new year will be much better than this year for us overall. So definitely looking forward to that. And you know, you guys enjoy the video. And again, for those people who are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I've got so much great content for you guys, you know, especially if you're into street photography. Maybe you're curious about the city of Toronto, or maybe you're just into photography in general. You know, definitely subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other content. And again, lots of great stuff that I'm cooking up for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And for now, let's go for a photo walk in the snow in Chinatown again.
If I get a shot of your dog?
Sure.
With the reindeer thing?
Sure.
Thank you. Hey, buddy. Hey, bro, what's his name?
Omar.
Omar. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Hey, Omar. Omar. Yeah. That's too cute. Thank you. Hey?
Is he going in the paper?
Well, I'm a photographer. I have like Instagram and everything. Are you on Instagram?
Or actually, you know what, I think I am.
Yeah? Thank you. If I get a shot, you just real quick. 5 seconds. What's that? I just shoot like interesting people I see on the street with good fashion and everything, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, man, hold on. I can send you the pictures afterwards, you ready? Alright, hold up. I'll send you after. Alright. That's nice, huh? I'm getting you with this too. Yeah. No, right there is good. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. You know how to pose up, eh? Hold up. You get like the whole fit. Yeah. Are you on this? Okay. Okay, alright, have a good day. Take care. I take the whole scene. Okay, okay.
At my place.
Hey, buddy. Hey, hey, hey.